is the page. We can see here the WordPress is installed in this page. So this is the URL digitalchandankumar/jan21. So here we can see the default page of the WordPress here. Now we need to log in the WordPress admin. So we will open the domain where we have installed the WordPress. So 20 is the Jan 21st /wp minus admin. This is the default URL of the admin when we install the WordPress. Simply hit the enter button. You will see the login panel of the WordPress. We need to put user ID and password that we have saved earlier while installing. It has shown. So I will write here admin password. I will put here and click enter or login. Simply we will go inside the domain and we can see here the domain is active now, and we can see the admin panel is also working here. Now we can see the menus, buttons. Here it is showing post, media, pages, comments, appearance, plugins, users, tools, settings. So whenever we will use any of the buttons in the left, given the left side, we will read and study up on those menus more and more. So simply we can see here the pages, the default page of the WordPress is visible, and this is the admin panel where we can manage the pages and menus. So what will be our first step? Whenever we want to create a website, we should first choose a design. Design has to be chosen first. What design we are going to implement here? So here what I will do is that I will just simply use a simple theme, or I can use a paid theme. So it depends on you what type of theme you are going to purchase or you are going to use. So we will see some paid themes here. Theme forest, themes plugin, or themes forest. We can use these theme forest. Themeforest.com. Here we can see some paid themes are available here. We can buy a theme from here as well. So we just simply click on WordPress and we can see popular, or just simply click on WordPress and you can see here a lot of premium themes are available. The same theme ditto, exactly the same thing will come on our website in this much cost. The cost is here, it is showing $39. Here it is showing $15, $34. The same amount will we have to pay, and with the same design will come on the site. So we see here consulting theme. I will search here for the consulting theme. Consulting theme is the one of the best selling theme in the WordPress. We can see here, find out here. So this is the consulting. I will look for consulting one. It is here. Now you can see here it is 19,000, 1900, 19K has been sold till now, and the cost is around $59. So we can see the preview. Once we click on the preview, we can see here the things display. The display, the page opens here, and we can see more demo in the bottom of the page. Choose a demo. We can choose any demo. I will select one demo here, consulting one. I will just see here for the consulting, which is for the consulting. So they have given us a lot of demo here by the country name: Osaka, Lyon, Seoul, Beijing, Toronto, San Francisco. So we can choose any consulting theme here. So here I will go and choose for New York or some simple theme. I think I should use this one. Oslo is looking good here. I can try this Oslo theme here, consulting theme here. So business consultant is here. So I will try this one, or I will see for one more theme, and I will try to see which one suits my business, my company. So I will choose that only. I think I should go with the Oslo one. So I will show you here demo. Let's see some other themes which is available on this one, and I will download the same theme. So I will proceed further with the Oslo theme here and click on the Oslo one and see the demo of Oslo. This one is looking nice. See, simply click here and we can see the 19 theme name is 19 here. So anyway, it's a demo. So we are just watching the demo of a theme. Once the demo is final, we can purchase the theme from buy now option. Simply I will click here remove frame and I can see the site look like this. About, services, books, events, cases, make an appointment, and elements. So these are the elements which we can use in our website. This can be removed also. So I can see here, this is very looking attractive, simple site. Everything is visible here, very simple. If I want to choose this theme, simply I will click on buy and purchase it and download the source file. And the same source file can be uploaded in our admin panel of the WordPress. So I will just buy now here and I will download and I will upload here. So just give me one moment. I will stop my screen sharing, screen recording, and I will buy the theme. It is very simple to buy a theme. Just you simply order online any copy or any mug, or you just online book on Amazon or any other sites. So it's as simple as ordering a book over the internet. Same, we need to just click on the buy now. So I will pause the screen recording. Yes, I have already downloaded the theme here. Now I will how to install the theme. So whenever we want to install the theme, we have to go on the appearance button here. Appearance we can see in the left side of the WordPress admin, and we need to log in into our domain only. You should not go onto WordPress.com. Simply you have to log in with your cPanel, come to your WordPress admin URL, and here you can see appearance. Here you click on customize option. You have to click, but first we are going to install the theme. So we'll click on themes here. Themes is the here button showing. Once we click on themes, a new page will open here and will show us add new on the top of, because we are going to apply a new theme here. So we'll simply click on add new themes and we will upload the themes here. Upload themes is showing on the top bar. Click on upload, choose the file where the file is. Simply choose the file here. I will browse to my file where I have downloaded the theme. So I will search for here desktop, and I will search for the consulting one here, consulting theme here. So consulting to be here. I have consulting to install this one here, and I will click on install. So file will upload and it will show me in the bottom the status bar what percentage has been uploaded here. Once the file is uploaded successfully, it will be installed. If there is any error in the file, it will give me an error. So we need to look again for the downloaded files which we have downloaded, the files from the themes. So we need to work on the themes again, and we have to just upload it again here. So I will wait here until the themes are uploaded and or installed. So we just wait and see. So I think the page is installed. So we can see here the themes is already installed successfully. We can see here now we need to go on the click here on activate. Once we click on activate, the page here is the simple one. If I refresh this one, it will change after. So we can see the theme default page of this domain has already changed here. Now we can see here it's already installed here. Welcome to consulting. So we have to install the demo because we have already seen this demo here. So we will install this demo, and demo name was theme 19, or it was Oslo here. So we will just click here and click on install demo. Once we click here, just simply search for the Oslo, where we can find the Oslo. The Oslo is here or not. Simply check the Oslo theme. So it is here. Click on import. Once we are here, just read the privacy policy. You have to read all the privacy policy here slowly, one by one, so that you can know what are the terms of services, terms of uses. Click on accept. Now I am going to choose here a builder. Choose a builder, page builder. I will go with the Visual Composer, or I can go with the Elementor. So here I will go with the Visual Composer. These are two builders, page builder, which will help you to design the page. So I will simply select here with Visual Composer, one of the builder here. I will choose here, and I can see here it is showing me this all the demo has to be installed. So click on simply setup. So why we are doing all these things? Because we are going to install demo content of the theme, so that we don't have to design by ourselves. They will install the layout, default layout, and it will be easy for us to edit the content, and we simply put our own content. So by this, in this way, we are able to put our own content. Now we can see the main site here, and click on duplicate and see if there is any changes or not. So there till now there is no changes. So we just wait for the demo to be installed till here, demo content. So it will take some few minutes. So let's wait and see, wait and watch. So the default theme is getting installed here, and let's see, contact form 7 is now installing. After it will show you WooCommerce, then Instagram feed, then recent tweets widgets, then cost calculator builder. So slowly one by one everything will be installed here. So we are waiting for the installation. Until it is installed, we will just wait and watch and see if there is any error or not. So we can see here it's already installed successfully. It's installed. So we just simply click and browse the refresh the page and see if we can see any changes here or not. So we can see here the demo content is already imported on the website digitalchandankumar.com/January 21. So we can see here content. So it is already installed here. So we simply click here on the previous pages. We can see it's the old one, so nothing is here. So on the new domain, we can see everything has changed. So we can see everything about me, services, all the things are here changed, and the images are already imported here. So we can simply close this option, close from here. So in this way we are able to install the default theme, default content of the previous website. So it is easy for us to install any of the theme. So we can see the site is here, ready-made site, and it is already working very perfectly. So we can simply click on another pages if you want to see. So we can see here services, books, events, courses, make an appointment. Other pages are already visible here. So we can see the whole site is the same ditto which we have seen earlier in a demo. So everything is working fine. Now simply we need to update our own logo. Logo and our own content. We have to simply replace with with our own content. Once we replace the content, it is clearly it will be your site, and you can make it very easily, very simple. It's very simple. Now we will proceed further how we can do this. So we can simply browse all the menus which are given in the under consulting theme. It will help us a lot. If we have missed anything, we can simply see here if anything is missed or not. So I have clicked. Just let me go back here. I will click here on the cross button, and I will go back of the site, and we will customize the home page first. So this is the main page, which is the first page of the site. If we want to customize it, we can customize it here. So in this lesson, we have already learned how to install the theme. So it was easy how we have installed the theme. In the next lesson, I will teach you how to create pages, how to design the pages, menus, and each and everything. You will study and learn in the separate lessons. So it will be easy for you. You can replay the lessons anytime. So